Good morning, Chalk It Up parents. Today we're going to talk about language development. One of the first things I wrote an article about on our wonderful parenting blog, www.chalkituptocrop.com/mom. Please enjoy today's episode and don't forget to click the red bell and subscribe. So I've been thinking about doing this video for about a month now, and the big thing here is what are all the things that I feel has really contributed to the desire to speak in such a young baby. So number one, we talk to him every day. My older son talks to him, my husband, myself, and we include him every day in our discussions of high-low. So there are some articles about language development in the comment section below. Please make sure you check those out because I go into detail on what high-low is and all of that good stuff. So dinner table, we ask the baby, what was your high today? And we wait for him to respond, and we don't let him get interrupted by our older child because there is no interrupting someone during high-low when it's their turn. That's just how the rules go. So then he does his high, he does his low, and we get so excited when he responds. We tell him, oh, that's so fantastic, we're so happy for you, or I'm sorry you had that low, that was a good low for the day. And we tell him what a good job he did for trying, right? There's that encouragement, and he gets that on a daily basis. We don't skip that. It's 7 days a week. It's dinner. We all sit down. We do that. Additionally, we do lots of reading and flashcards. I don't kill and drill with flashcards. The big thing with flashcards is that the ones we use are fun, and they have textures, and they're of different animals and things around the house, and I get to learn what his favorite things are, what he recognizes. He gets really excited when he sees a dog because we have a dog. And then we also are silly with our animal sounds, and so he's really into this and he gets really excited. He's not as excited with books. He gets quite frustrated with books because he wants to turn the pages and he can't quite do it without smashing his fingers still. So he's interested, but he wants to do it his way, which is really cute. And finally, what I think it really boils down to with why he's talking so much is the response he gets back every time he talks. We acknowledge him if he's making sounds, if he's fussing at us, because he's trying to communicate without going into like a big dramatic tears, because usually a child feels like you won't respond to them unless they explode most of the time. And if he does explode, that means something's really wrong. It means he got hurt, or he has a stomach ache, something is wrong. So he only explodes when there's something really wrong. And so that is because we are always responding to him. We're always talking to him, and it's every member of the family, and he feels like he'll be heard. And that's really important even at this age because it really encourages them to start making new sounds and find new ways, and they get really excited about that. They get excited about the way their mouths are moving and the new sounds that they can create, and they keep practicing it over and over because you have encouraged them, and that's huge. Encouragement is the number one reason that my child is excited to talk. Before we go, here is a special message from our co-founder, Kate Grove.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. Please check the description down below for any links or goodies that we may have included. Also, please leave us some comments, questions, inquiries, anything that you want to say to us. We would love to hear your feedback and we will respond. If you would like to see these videos continue, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Subscribing is very important. We hope to see you next week. Thanks everyone for watching.